Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Saturday, August 5th. Our active weather pattern continues with thunderstorm chances each and every day through early next week, with temperatures staying seasonably cool. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points for the focus on today. Active weather expected to continue through the weekend. We'll see isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms every day, with stronger thunderstorms capable of producing some gusty winds in excess maybe 30-40 miles an hour, small hail, and periods of heavy rain. Seasonally cool temperatures will continue. We'll see those below normal levels with patchy fog each and every morning. We've seen some of that up towards Rexburg this morning. Temperatures will be turning warmer and drier towards the later part of next week as precipitation becomes increasingly isolated, shifting more into the mountains as temperatures return to more near normal levels, especially as we get towards Friday. Yesterday, we set a record daily rainfall at Stanley. That's 27 hundredths, and that does break the previous record of 24 hundredths set over 100 years ago in 1922. Satellite this morning, you can see mostly cloudy skies out there, especially further south and west, but again, mostly clear skies as you head further north and east, and with those clearing skies, seeing some patchy fog out there, but that should be burning off as you get towards sunrise later today. Mostly clear skies to kick off later part of this morning, with afternoon thunderstorms developing as a result. Weather has got left for your next 5 days. Main concerns today will just center around some showers and thunderstorms. So those could be especially strong up towards Lemhi County and the South Hills areas. But outside of that, we're just looking at isolated to scattered coverage for both Saturday and Sunday for just about everybody. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, shifting out of the Snake Plain, Magic Valley area, generally into the mountains, but still holding on in the Upper Valley. 24-hour rainfall total, so this is looking ending at 4 a.m. this morning. You can see a widespread, at least swath up towards the Central Mountains, Eastern Highlands, and Southeast Highlands. Generally about a quarter to maybe a half an inch of rain. Locally higher totals pushing about an inch. So we kept that rain pattern going, and it's even higher totals up into Yellowstone that we saw yesterday into this morning. Cloud-to-guard lightning strikes yesterday, so there were about 1,000 cloud-to-guard lightning strikes in and around the area, and these were very concentrated. So if you were anywhere around the Wood River Valley, Fairfield, down towards Sweetser Summit, South Hills area yesterday, you saw some very active thunderstorms. We did see some accumulating hail on US 20 in Fairfield as a result, as some of the stronger thunderstorms were working through the area. Probability of thunder today highlights our entire area, so everyone will be looking at about a 50 to 70% chance. Again, those two action corridors generally going to be up along the Montana Divide, so Montana border with Idaho, and then down towards the South Hills and southern Great Basin areas. Probability of sustained winds greater than 35 miles an hour. So again, we're highlighting this area here, shown in that white circle. Just keep an eye on that for the strongest wind gust potential later today. We'll see storms develop primarily in the South Hills, and as those work further north and east, keep an eye on some stronger wind gust potential working into the Pocatello 84, 86, and 15 corridors. Excessive rainfall outlook today, again, mainly going to be up in Lemhi County and along the Montana Divide. Again, keep an eye on that marginal risk of some localized potential flooding concerns up there, where some of those higher PWatts and higher moisture content in the atmosphere will be located. Take a look at timing for you. It's outside of some isolated showers this morning, maybe a rumble or thunder or two. Most of the activity is not going to get going until later part of this afternoon, so by 12, 1, 2 o'clock, start to see those storms fire off in the Central Mountains and portions of Yellowstone and western Wyoming. But beyond that, 3 to 9 o'clock will be our most active period. Start to see some storms developing around the South Hills, so south of Twin and Burley. Those will continue to work northeast. Generally, storms are going to be having that easterly track today. And again, keeping an eye on some of those wind gusts with these storms. Locally heavy rain, small hail will be the main thing today. And as we head into the after sunset tonight, should be overall trending fairly isolated in nature, but certainly carrying at least a little bit of that into the early morning hours as conditions remain dry and skies clear. Temperatures for today, going to start today fairly cool. We're actually pushing the upper 40s, low 50s here in Pocatello this morning, but across the board 40s and 50s to start your Saturday with afternoon highs in the 70s and 80s. Probability of thunder for Sunday, so you can see those best chances are going to shift further north and east up into Montana and Wyoming, but we're still carrying, again, best chances are going to be in the mountains, especially in the Central Mountains and eastern and southern highlands, so we're keeping those chances again across the entire area for Sunday. Excessive rainfall outlook on Sunday, going to leave you favoring up towards Fremont and Teton counties, in eastern Clark County, but other than that, should be seeing at least a lot of that moisture further north and east. Temperatures for your Sunday, again, another cool morning, 30s, 40s, and 50s across the board with afternoon highs, again, fairly seasonably cool in the 70s to low 80s. Temperatures on Monday, we'll see these temperatures remain fairly consistent Monday, Tuesday, into Wednesday, so that's going to be starting off the day on Monday, 40s and 50s in the morning, afternoon highs in the upper 60s to low 80s. And by Tuesday, not a whole lot of change, 40s, 50s in the mornings, and starting out the afternoon hours, we see them warming up into the 60s, 70s to mid-80s now in the Magic Valley. And for Wednesday, start to see at least that little bit of a warming trend further south. But other than that, starting off the day again, 30s, 40s, and 50s across the board with afternoon highs, 70s to mid-80s. And take a look at that warming trend later part into the week. So by Thursday into Friday, start to see those temperatures creep back up towards more normal levels. This time of year, normal levels are upper 70s to low 90s. So we've been enjoying this kind of early August cool down, but certainly going to start to warm things back up as we head into Friday, with models indicating some more warmer temperatures as we head into the middle part of the month. So by Friday, seeing those afternoon highs back in the upper 70s to low 90s. That's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a great weekend.